Hey there! Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of agriculture machines. Ever wondered how these mechanical marvels are revolutionizing farming as we know it? Stick around, because we've got a jaw-dropping revelation coming your way. Transporting cranberries into the truck and washing them simultaneously. It's an incredible time saver. Efficiency at its finest. In the blink of an eye, this wheat harvesting machine effortlessly reaps the golden fields. Truly amazing efficiency. Can't believe my eyes as this machine swiftly collects green apples, the most efficient tool for a fruitful harvest. Watch as this soybean planting machine works its magic. It's the perfect blend of precision and speed. A perfect plowing machine working through the snowy terrain, a sight to behold. An orchard bursting with ripe oranges, a true citrus paradise. I can't believe my eyes at this bountiful harvest. This land tiller in action across the soybean field is simply amazing. Wow, an automatic cake slicer, cutting uniformly and quickly. Harvesting sweet potatoes with efficiency and skill. Witness the hard work of farmers paying off in a bountiful yield. This cheese slicing machine works like a charm, creating perfect slices in seconds. Amazing! This is a tomato peeling conveyor, effortlessly removing skins for tomato sauce. Workers are harvesting oranges in a bountiful orchard. Can't believe my eyes at the abundance of juicy citrus fruits. This water weed removal machine is incredible. It efficiently clears ponds in no time, maintaining water health effortlessly. When you're busy with your deadlines, automatic machines become a vital assistant for farmers. This is truly an amazing process to make these sweet treats ready for sale. Harvesting corn kernels efficiently. Witness the impressive speed and precision of this corn harvesting machine. A cherry tree shaker gently harvests cherries. This is an efficient way to gather these delicious fruits. In just 1 hour, this plowing machine transforms fields for planting. The tree cutting machine, turning trees into logs with incredible speed and precision. This machine swiftly gathers and mulches grass, making lawn maintenance a breeze. shearing black sheep's wool with precision. witness the skilled hands and tools that make this process efficient. The banana tree shredder, effortlessly turning banana plants, an amazing tool for waste reduction in agriculture. Wood chipping machine at work, turning logs into wood chips in the blink of an eye. Farmers harvesting apples, a breathtaking sight. The dedication of hard work behind each apple are truly commendable. The onion harvester efficiently gathers onions. This is a marvel of automation in the world of agriculture. This snowplow train clears snow-covered tracks, ensuring safe rail travel. This equipment is the perfect choice for handling a wide range of materials, from compost and topsoil to woody biomass. This machine is an example of modern and efficient approach to farming. Farmers are very creative when using this tool. Have you seen this kind of machine before? Behold the mighty snow removal machine, designed to swiftly and efficiently clear vast amounts of snow. The mini ploughing machine, a compact wonder for small-scale farming, perfect for precision work in tight spaces. Like a destroying machine, nothing can survive in its way. Railway trackside tree trimming with precision saw blades, keeping train routes safe and clear, a vital task. Now look at this! Perfect precision as the wheat harvester gathers a sea of golden grains. In just 1 hour, this celery harvester works like a charm. I can't believe my eyes at its efficiency in the field. An amazing sight. The drone sprayer swiftly covers the field in pest control. Watch as this deep ploughing machine is effortlessly pulled by another. Perfect teamwork for efficient soil preparation. This irrigation system for soybean fields ensures water delivery in the blink of an eye. This is truly an amazing display of winter efficiency. With just this one machine, it's easy to complete various farming tasks. This pesticide sprayer is a game changer. In the blink of an eye, it safeguards crops. A perfect tool for maintaining lawns with precision. In just one pass, this grass cutter transforms the landscape. An amazing dry fruit grinder. In the blink of an eye, it turns ingredients into powders. This tree cutting machine is a perfect blend of speed and precision in forestry. This greenhouse roof cleaner works wonders. In no time, it keeps the roof spotless. An amazing tool for maintaining greenhouses. Undeniable, this machine is the perfect tool for farming. A lifesaver for water channels. This can completely clear the 1 kilometer ditch in just 1 hour. A mesmerizing process. I can't believe my eyes at the artistry behind these delectable treats. The marvel of efficiency. In just one pass, this machine gathers the golden bounty of cornfields. Wow, do you know the name of this kind of vegetable? Just share your ideas below. This herb harvester works wonders, an amazing tool for culinary enthusiasts. In just one go of this fertilizer spreader, it ensures even distribution. It's truly a perfect tool for nourishing crops. Amazing! I can't believe my eyes at the precision of this candy production line. It's an amazing system for efficient fruit handling in the orchard, right? A farmer shears llama wool with skill and care. The dedication to animal welfare and craftsmanship is truly impressive. It blows my mind. In just one machine, it does it all. A true marvel. We can't deny that this machine is a perfect assistant for farmers to prepare a new crop. Smart and efficient in animal husbandry. Not a single chicken will be left thirsty. Look, I believe that this garden grass cutter is a perfect tool for keeping lawns tidy. Have you ever seen this machine before in your hometown? With this modern assembly line, grinding 1 ton of tobacco is a simple task. Perfectly peeling green papayas with amazing speed. In just a moment, it turns them into ready-to-use delights. An incredible sight. The soil tilling robot is the most efficient tool for modern agriculture. Watching the hillside vegetation cutter at work is truly amazing. In just a few seconds, planting saplings is made efficient with this tool. How easily this machine cut down trees in the forest. An amazing animal feed grinder. In just 1 hour, it turns ingredients into nutritious feed. The deep ploughing machine efficiently prepares fields for ensuring fertile soil for planting in a single pass. As we conclude our exploration of agriculture machines, let's reflect. Which innovation inspires you the most, and why? Share your thoughts below. Drop them in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating farm tech content.